Hi, my name is Ashley Scharber. I'm Director of Content Strategy here at More Visibility. In today's Ask the Expert, I'll be answering a common question we're receiving from a lot of our clients ever since the launch of Google's AI overviews. So the question is, I keep seeing my competitors show up in Google's AI overviews, but we don't. What are we doing wrong? Well, first, let's make sure we're all on the same page of what a Google AI overview is. This is the AI generated summary that you'll see at the top of the search engine results page, where Google is aiming to make it as easy as possible for a searcher to find an answer to their question, where Google is actually generating an answer using AI based off of the information that they're finding out on the web. They're creating an answer to a particular question or a search query, and they're actually showing that in the search results at the top of the search results page. Now, if you're interested in ranking in these AI overviews, really all of the same principles of traditional SEO apply to optimizing your content in order to be shown here. First and foremost, you do want to make sure that your content is well structured and technically sound so that search engines can actually access your content, that it's easy to find, that it's mobile friendly, that you have any relevant schema markup applied. All of this is going to help make sure search engines can actually find your content and show it within the search engines. Second, and probably equally, if not more important, is the quality of your content. As with all SEO, it's really critical that your content is high quality and relevant to a searcher's query. So making sure that we're answering their questions and giving them the best resource that we can. So once you've got all of your basics of SEO covered, when it comes to optimizing for an AI overview, there's a couple of additional considerations. First, it can be helpful to understand the types of queries that generate an AI overview. While this is changing a lot right now, as these are a new feature, it's hard to identify which types of queries might show up for an AI overview. But what we are seeing is that these are most often shown for more top of funnel types of queries and more informational queries. So think of long tail queries where maybe someone's asking a question, maybe they're looking for how to do something. Those are the types of queries that we're seeing where AI overviews are more common. You can use a little bit of competitive research to discover the queries that your competitors are showing up for, and tools like Conductor and SEMrush are starting to be able to actually track AI overviews and give some data and insights into the types of keywords that show this particular feature. Once you know what type of queries are showing AI overviews, next you want to optimize your content for that. I like to think about optimizing for AI overviews very similar to how I would optimize for an answer box. So we really want to make sure our content's well structured and well optimized. To do that, we recommend using good headlines within your content that very specifically address the question that someone is searching for or the particular topic that you're covering. And then immediately following that we're giving a very concise and direct answer to that question or quick intro or overview of the topic. It's really important when we're optimizing this content that we're using simple, easy to understand language. And by creating that simple and concise, direct answer, we're giving a really great easy to understand answer to that question, and we're more likely to be able to be pulled into that AI overview. In addition to optimizing specifically for that topic or that query, you also want to make sure that your content overall, or the page that you're optimizing is overall, does a really good job of comprehensively addressing the topic. You really want to be creating the best resource you can on that topic that's accurate, well cited, very high quality, because ultimately that's what's going to be able to rank within search. And then that's what's more likely to be pulled into the AI overviews and used by Google to generate an answer to a particular query.